In this video, I'll explain what Mailchimp Content Studio is and why it's useful. Content Studio is Mailchimp's built-in media library, where you can store, organize, and manage all the files you use in your email marketing. Instead of uploading the same images or documents every time you create a campaign, you can keep them all in one central location. You can store assets such as logos, product images, banners, GIFs, PDFs, and other marketing files. This makes it much easier to reuse content across multiple email campaigns and maintain consistent branding. Content Studio also includes tools to help you organize your files with folders and search features, so you can quickly find the asset you need. Depending on your Mailchimp plan, you may also have access to stock images and basic image editing tools. One of the biggest advantages of Content Studio is that it saves time. Once your files are uploaded, you can use them in any email, template, or landing page without uploading them again. Overall, if you regularly create email campaigns, Content Studio helps keep your marketing assets organized, improves your workflow, and makes designing emails much faster. And that's what Mailchimp Content Studio is and how it can help with your email marketing.